So if you saw the servicing video, this was basically working, meter wasn't working, and it just needed a bit of done the usual capacitors. Ended up doing a dozen capacitors, but you do need to change 4. But I chose to do one in the voltage doubler, the output of the VCO, and some in the audio side. This is going to end up on eBay, and it's a surplus set with a brand new standard replacement mic, a brand new power lead. So it's a 1981 Audioline 340 using the Uniden chassis, and it's exceptionally sensitive for one of these. Normally they come in around 0.7 microvolts, and this one's 0.39. So don't know why that is, but you know, some meet and some exceed the specification. Full 4-watt output, and we'll see whether Mr. Chippie is out there. Tango 21 test.
Standby.
Roger. Right, so let's plug the extension speaker in.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie.
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm plugged into the extension speaker now.
Roger that, off we go then.
Roger.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that. On this set I have a tone control.
Roger that, so we're heading up towards the end of the lane, passing the new passing place which hasn't been defaced yet, and soon to be doggy daycare on the
It will
right.
keep it in treble. Oh, I don't know, it's a bit harsh. Yeah, roger on that. That's demonstrated.
Roger. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Passing Ancaster service station, and it's closed.
Well, we're not late, are we?
Well, it's 29 minutes past.
Roger, Dodger.
Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger got you at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Top of the hill, let's go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on an Audioline 340 from 1981. Uses the Uniden Chippie. Doing a full 4 watt output, and I'm using a standard replacement mic over.
Yep, roger that. All received.
Roger, Dodger.
Going over Wilsford level crossing. Over.
What have you got going over Wilsford level crossing?
Passing the Greyleys turn.
What you got you at the Greyleys turn?
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
What have you got you at the 5 mile point? So on this Audioline 340 doing a full 4 watt output, and it's drawing 1.05 amps, so it's very efficient. We're now going to go over to low power, which I've been able to set for 400 milliwatts. So here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and there we are on low power doing 400 milliwatts. The radio is now drawing 460 milliamps in current. Go back to full power, and there we are back on full power over.
Yep, roger that. Well, that was a good test. Perfectly readable on both.
Excellent. Off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Dodger.
21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over raw speed level crossing. Over.
Going over raw speed level crossing. Please over.
Yep, 147.9 and 157.9.
Roger, Roger. Well, that worked a treat. So, thank you very much.
Roger that. 10-10.
10-10. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. Now going over raw speed level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over raw speed level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me at that end, please, over?
Yep, 147.9 and 157.9.
Roger Dodger, well that worked a treat. So thanks very much.
Roger that. 10-10.
10-10. Right, well there we go. That did work okay. We'll go over to our base station. You know, the factory original coffin mics were a bit bassy on these sets and the Unidens. But I do believe that our replacement mics are a bit more treble content, which is better. So we'll go over to our base station and see what that sounds like. Do it on both power levels, but these sets don't suffer from hum on transmit like some sets do.
Tango 21, testing the audio line 340 with the standard replacement mic into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pop it onto the low power. There we go on 400 milliwatts. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's just a hum test. And there we go back to full power. So, hope you enjoyed seeing another Uniden. Having changed a dozen capacitors in it. And I think we've got the Fidelity 2001 to do tomorrow. Thanks for watching.